In front of me is Motorola Moto G15 Power, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by opening one of your apps to use in this view and launching it in the background. Then do the same with the second one and access background apps to decide which one you wish to use on the top half. Click on the icon of it, select split screen and tap on the second one. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. To go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and hit home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!